Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my Aquastar Love Dot. Here I will do your love reading. What is the current feelings and what's going on in your love life? Let's see. It will be a general reading and a timeless reading. Whenever you see if the energies are resonating with you, it's yours. Otherwise, leave it. You can check other readings in my channel. All these readings are timeless. If resonates, it's yours. Okay, let's see what's coming in your love life. What's going on in your love life? First I will see what's going on in your love life, then I will see what's coming. Okay, what's going on in your love life is okay. There was a situation when you are in a one-sided love. Okay, then you are coming to a situation that you are balancing your energy and you are now in a unconditional love with everyone. Now it's happening that someone came into your life who is your true love. You are trusting them. You want stability and passion in this connection for the long term. It's now going on in your situation, right? You've gone through some heartbreak. Now you balanced your energy, and now someone is there whom you are trusting a little bit and wanting a stability in this connection and passion in this connection. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, someone is expressing love to you in the current situation. So let's see what's the energy between you and them now. What you think about that person that you are dealing with now, what you are dealing with now, what is the, and just tell me what are the current situation between current partner and our. Okay, someone reach out to you but you don't want to talk to them, and you take a break from this situation, or you take a break from this person because you don't want to overwhelm yourself. Yes, this person to came and reach out to you, but you are not in a mood to talk to them. Maybe there was a mood swing, maybe that's a moon cycle, something happened, and you are taking a back step from this partner. You are overwhelming yourself because there was some unhealed situation in your life, unhealed situation that was from the prior situations, prior love situation that is overwhelming you, and that is the reason you don't want to go very fast in this situation. That is the reason you are taking some break from that person. Yeah, this person proposed you. Yeah, of course, this person proposed you. They are making some choice for you. Divine timing. This person is manifesting you, and maybe you have also manifested a person or a soulmate that will give you equal give and take, that will give you that emotional balance between each other. And that's the reason this person came into your life, and now you are uh, you are not ready to accept them. It's too fast to get right. So angels are saying you are worthy of love. Yes, of course, you are worthy of love. You have to make a choice to accept this partner. What is the part, what is your partner's energy now? What's what they are going through after reaching out to you, and you are taking break from them, what they are feeling now, what they are feeling now. This could be the one. Yes, this could be the one. After divine timing, angels are giving you a partner that will be, yeah, make the effort. This person is making effort to come towards you, and they also want equal effort from you, equal effort from both the side. Yeah, twin flame. Maybe this is your twin flame. They want second chance. Really? They are highly attracted towards you, but you want freedom from this situation. Oh, because of the prior depressions. Yeah, strongly. So what is this person going through? They are in a illusion. Look beyond illusion. They want to overcome this illusion. They want to know about your situation. They want to know about the situation clearly, and then they want to take some chance. Okay. What is okay? Yeah, reach into the conclusion. This person wants to take some decision about the situation. This is your soulmate. Gender roles, traveling and dating. This person wants to date with. This person wants to come towards you and date you. This person is highly attracted to you. Yeah. Oh God, this is this in a third party situation? Self respect. Okay, this person, okay, just think, just think. This person is thinking that they are in a third party situation because they are in an illusion. They don't know that you are going back to your ex or not. They they are they are just making stories in their mind that what's happening, why you are taking a break from them, why you are not accepting them, because they are your true love. They have making you known that are they are able to keep your trust. Still you are moving and still you are not giving them any priority or something like that. That is the reason they are thinking that if there is a third party situation from your side, then they have to keep their self respect and move on from the situation. That's the reason they are trying to reaching to a conclusion. They want to take a step for the situation. If you are there, they will take a step towards you and will date you. If you are not for them, they will move away from you. This person is very much balanced, very much uh, mature, I will say. Yeah, this person will work out this person will work out this situation and express their love and bring a new beginning in this situation. But if you are not interested, they will understand the situation and love themselves, and then will end the situation in a major change and heal themselves and change their life in a big way. Metamorphosis. Yeah. See, don't hide everything from everyone. If you want this person, then openly talk to them. If you want this person, this chance, if you want this person in your life, then clearly communicate with them. If you don't want, then also clearly communicate with them and leave them in their own way, own path. Yeah. Life lesson and healing. You should heal this situation and take some action. Time for action. Okay. Metamorphosis. So, what should you do? See, if you want this situation to work out, if you want this person to be with you, then work on this connection. Express your love or express yourself, whatever you want. If you want this new beginning, then work for this. Yeah, this person is highly attracted to you and want union with you. So if you want this, then take a chance and release your past. Okay. And if you don't want this, then also pay gratitude to them. Pay gratitude to them. Yes, of course, this person take a chance towards you. They have uh, given you lots of affection till now and given you lots of attention. Nowadays, no one gives attention without any reason. So this person came towards you with wholeheartedly, with a true love. Then give them that gratitude that they have given you lots of love and thank them for that. And what? And ask them for this forgiveness because you cannot give them whatever they want from you. So ask for the forgiveness and patiently take the freedom from this person. Okay. And there will be new doors will open for them and simultaneously for you also. Okay, this is the reading. What is the angel's guidance? Let's see. What is the angel's guidance for you? Okay, someone is telling me to see about their dialogues, what they want to tell you. What this person wants to tell you, what they are having thoughts about you. Let's see. I love when you flirt with me. Yes, of course. This person wants your attention. What they want to tell you? I cannot move on from you. See, this person is very much in love with you. Don't break their heart. It's not good karma, right? I'm waiting for you. This person is waiting for you. Oh my god. But you are in a fear of commitment. It's your energy. You are in a fear of commitment. You are afraid of coming towards any person because of your prior situations. I'm scared to reach out to. Yes, this person is scared to reach out to you because they don't know how you will react. I was thinking of you last night. This person is highly feeling you. I know they are getting that you are not feeling the same for them. They are understanding. Their sixth sense is very high. They are feeling that you are not in that same page. Okay, I see why everything is happening that way. I'm scared of losing you. They are understanding, they are feeling that they will lose you. You make me feel things I never felt before. Oh God. I have so much to say you. So much to say to you. There are lots of you inspire me. This person inspired by you. So let's see what is your guidance from angels. What is your guidance from angels? Let's see. Reevaluate. Yeah, of course, you have to reevaluate your situation and never give up. See, angels are also saying never give up on this situation. Create a life of magic. There will be a life of magic because this person loves you a lot. I don't know what to do, what to say. Deep dive, shower love. See, angels are also saying that you should shower love to this person. Deep dive. Don't be humble to this situation. Patience is a yes. Patience is the key. Go slow, open heartedly talk to this person, accept what is happening, accept it, and cut the cord from the past situation. Cut the cord from the past situation. Be playful for yourself. Be playful. What is happening? Go with the flow and be. What's the sign? Don't afraid to be failed. If you failed here, it's okay. It is also a experience of your life. Not don't get afraid of that. Okay. So angels are saying you are You're just afraid of what will happen if the situation will also drained out from your life. Don't get so panicky. If it's going, let them go. Again, someone will come to love you. These are all the situations if your life. What's a big deal? If you are living that life in a proper way, there will be lots of experience in your life, and you will cherish it in the later days of your life. Okay? That these are the people you loved. These are the people who loved you also. Okay? So don't get so hard on yourself. Who those person who came in your life for a purpose, they came, they give you lots of affection and love, and they complete their purpose, they moved on from your life. And who is coming towards you, let them come towards you and give you a lots of love that you deserve. Okay, so this is the reading. If you like this reading, give me a like. If you want these types of reading, then subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for all types of notification. Bye bye, have fun. See you on another reading. 1616. This is